The animal of the day, October 7th, is the extinct Irish elk, or the binomial name Megaloceros giganteus. Type: mammal, deer. Diet: herbivore. Average lifespan: at least 19 years. Size: up to 6.11 feet tall at shoulder height. Weight: 990 to 1,300 pounds. Population status: currently the 7th of October 2024. Extinct. Population estimate: none. Extinct. Native lands: Europe, Northern Asia, and Northern Africa. Primary habitat: steppe woodlands and open areas with scattered trees and low vegetation. Main predators: cave hyenas. Active time: unknown. Species age: emerged 450,000 years ago and extinction occurred 7,700 years ago. Notes: the Irish elk is an extinct species of deer and is the largest deer that ever lived. The range of the Irish elk was primarily in Eurasia during the Pleistocene period, specifically from Ireland to Lake Baikal in Siberia. The name Irish elk is actually a misnomer because it is not closely related to either living species called the elk, with it being widely agreed that it is the fallow deer that is the closest living relative. The Irish elk had large palmate antlers and are the largest antlers of any deer, with the largest specimens reaching over 11 feet across, although it is rare for specimens to exceed 9.8 feet across, and the antlers also weighed 88 pounds. The Irish elk could reach up to 1,540 pounds or more, being the heaviest known Cervini Old World deer, and is the third largest known deer to ever exist, after the also extinct broad-fronted moose and stag moose. Many researchers have suggested many theories as to what the hump of an Irish elk may have been used for. Some theories are that it allowed the deer to have longer strides while running, or that it was used to store fat, which could prevent overheating while running or en route during the summer. Canadian biologist Valerius Geist hypothesized that the Irish elk was cursorial, adapted for running and stamina. Geist also noted that the Irish elk physically resembled reindeer and that the body proportions of the Irish elk are similar to those of the cursorial addax, oryx, and saiga antelope. Cursorial saiga, gnus, and reindeer have a top speed of over 50 miles per hour and can maintain high speeds for up to 15 minutes, suggesting that the Irish elk could reach similar feats. Antlers generally require high amounts of calcium and phosphate, and the massive antlers of Irish elk may have required very large quantities. Stags, deer, typically meet these requirements in part from their bones suffering from a condition similar to osteoporosis while the antlers are growing. The mesodont, the upper and lower teeth condition, suggests that the Irish elk was a mixed feeder of grass and forb-based diets, being able to both browse and graze. Every day is a new animal, so come back for more.